Hi everyone, my name is Lokesh Kaushik. In my previous video about digital marketing, I've explained you what is digital marketing along with the assets and tactics. So as promised in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the benefits of digital marketing. So let's get started. So digital marketing provides the most effective ways to market or promote your products and services online. It differs from traditional media of advertisement, which is television, radio, newspaper, and pamphlets. The sudden growth in demand of digital marketing has been due to increased use of internet today. So let's talk about the benefits of digital marketing. Benefit 1. It's inexpensive and fits for all the businesses. We all know how expensive it is to show ads on television, radio, and newspapers. But on the other hand, the advertisement via digital marketing is cost effective, and in return, you get to know whole lot of information like how many people have seen your ad, out of which how many of them clicked your ad, and what action they took afterwards. So you can use all those information to make your next video ad campaigns better. So that's why this is really helpful. So it doesn't matter your business is bigger or small, you still can leverage digital marketing for your business. Benefit 2. Target right audience. With digital marketing, you can show ads targeted to the right audience, which are the people who are interested in purchasing your products and services, to avoid unnecessary costs, which will help you not only spend your budget wisely, but will also get you great return on your investment. Now the question arises, how to know your right audience? It's really simple. Let's say you are planning to run social media ads using Facebook channel. Then just go on to your Facebook business page, click the Insights tab. Here you will be able to see the audience that have shown great interest on your content along with their demographics and age group. So you can save this audience later to target them using social media ads. Similarly, you have a website, you can use Google Analytics to find out how many people have visited your website and what are their demographics and source of traffic. So this way you will be able to find your right audience. Benefit number 3. Brand awareness. Now getting people aware of your product or service is the first thing, and selling them is the other thing. Because nobody is going to purchase from you if they don't know about you, if they don't know what are you selling, what services you're providing, what is your unique selling proposition, how you can expect them to buy from you. That's why brand awareness plays a major and a most important role in marketing and making your business name a popular brand. So with the help of digital marketing, you can increase your brand awareness using YouTube advertisement, social media ads, search engine marketing, and search engine optimization. Fourth one, wider reach. The reach of traditional marketing is limited to an extent, but with digital marketing, you can reach the whole world. Any person sitting in any corner of the world is able to see your ads and your products and services. Fifth one, easy to measure. With the help of Google Analytics, you can track the visitors or users coming to your website. You can get to know their demographics, what pages they visit the most, what pages they visit the least, bounce rate, and their sources of traffic. Apart from this, you can also get to know how your advertisement campaigns are performing and if your goals are being met. Apart from this, the most important thing, you can create a funnel in Google Analytics. The funnel helps us find out how our customers have gone through each step before purchasing from us. so we can get to know if there's any problem or in any step of the funnel, so which we can solve after knowing that. So with the help of Google Analytics, the data we gather help us analyze our website. This way we can solve if there is any error or help us improve our marketing techniques. Benefit 6 brings prospective customers closer. So people who are actually interested in your product and services will click your ads, which means when you're running PPC ads, only the people who are actually interested in your services or products will click it. So in the end, I would like to say that digital marketing helps you in increasing your brand awareness, puts your content in front of your target audience, and helps you get more traffic to your website. I hope you found this useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.